All right, so now we have all the data collected and we are on video 5 of 7 in diagnosis, where we will start synthesizing the data. So there's two tools, the daily synthesis tool and the global synthesis tool. The daily synthesis tool is really about understanding what happened that day between the provider blueprints, the health officer blueprints, the client scenarios, and the observational guide. You look at what works well, what needs further improvement, and it just allows everyone to take a step back and put down key takeaways from the findings. So here is the daily synthesis tool. And you'll see that there are a daily synthesis for each of the 5 categories that you'll be working with. There is a point of view exercise that enables the CIT to articulate initial insights in preparation for the global synthesis. If available, you can invite the facility in charge to be part of this process as well, in the spirit of participation and participatory approaches. The goal of the daily synthesis sheet is for each team member of the CIT to really reflect and summarize the learnings so that nothing is lost, because you're collecting so much rich data. Doing this on a daily basis really allows to make sure, did we capture everything? So now that we've collected all of our daily synthesis information, we're ready to pull this together into the global synthesis tool. And there's 2 parts to the global synthesis tool. First, focusing on the challenges, what works well and what doesn't work well, and influencing factors, and then the how might we questions. And we'll break this down a little bit further. It's designed as the final analysis of the findings, so you can reflect and discuss as a CIT to look at the challenges and opportunities that are going to spark solutions later on. So as mentioned, the first part here helps pull together the top 3 influencing factors within each category of these systems. So you will do this 5 times again. After you've completed that, section 2 helps you turn this information into a how might we question, which is going to be critical when we go into the planning and the act phase for brainstorming and ideation. So what is a how might we question? So the how might we question has 3 parts. The first part is the action. The second part is the target group. And the third part is the change. So the example here is how might we improve respectful family planning counseling for youth clients in order to increase use of quality family planning counseling. These aspirational questions encourage innovative thinking around challenges and suggest solutions that are feasible and doable in the next phase. So here we go.